Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are looking at this tiny camera light from Ulanzi. This costs $20 and I think everyone should have this in their camera bag. And let me explain why, so stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay, so let's just talk about the build quality of the camera light. So it's made entirely out of plastic. You have three cold shoes which you can mount your microphone, or you can mount different camera lights so you can have more light. Then you have on the bottom a tripod mount, and then you can obviously mount this on your camera. It has 4 buttons on the back, one to turn on the light, one to control the modes, to change the brightness. And this light actually goes from 2000 kelvins to 9000 kelvins, so 2500 will be like a very warm light. And then if you switch to 9000, that would be like a very cold light. Around 5000, it would be like a daylight. It also has a USB-C charger. The battery is 2000 milliamp hours and it should last you around 2 hours with full brightness, which I think is pretty decent because you also have the option to plug the charging cable in and then also use the light that way, or like a power bank, and then you can use the light constantly as long as you have power. So why do I recommend this light? Because it's very cheap. It's only $20 to $25 on Amazon, and you can use this in many different scenarios, such as your studio light. If you want to have like different colors in your studios, you can buy like 2 or 3 of these and make a really nice ambience, or however you want to call it. You can also use this for nighttime vlogging. I'll show you a bit later in the video, and especially if you want to use it for like low light photography, this is absolutely fantastic because you can decrease the ISO and take better quality pictures. Now, one of my favorite features about this light is that it has a magnetic back, and what this means, you can basically expand your creativity and mount this on different metal surfaces. Okay, so let's test this light during low light. I will show you the different color options and the modes, the effect modes that it has, and we can also increase the temperature from 2000 Kelvin to 9000 Kelvin, so you can see the difference. Let me switch to nighttime now. Okay, that's a bit better. I know it's dark, but bear with me, don't skip the video yet. So let's turn on the light. I'm going to turn it down to 2500 kelvins, and that's going to be 100% brightness. So this is 100% on warm light, so 2500 Kelvin. It is a bit bright, I'm not gonna lie, so you might want to turn it down to like 50%. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you 100% every single color. Okay, let me turn it to daylight. I'll just put it 5590 kelvins. So that's daylight. So it looks a lot cleaner, the light a lot better. I will switch it now to 9000 Kelvin and 100% brightness. Okay, so that's 9000 kelvins. So the light is very cold. Yeah, so you guys let me know which one you prefer. Do you prefer the 2500 Kelvin? So do you prefer the natural light, the daylight, which is 5500 roughly, or the 9000, which is this one? Let me switch to different colors and I will show you how they look. Okay, so let me show you. So this is color red and it's on 4% at the moment. I'm just gonna turn on the percentage for the colors and it's gonna change. Now it's on a yellow, it goes into a greenish color, and now into a blue, like a very, very blue, purple, red, yellow, green. Okay, so these are just a few colors that I can show you with this light. Another thing that I want to show you that's really interesting is the effect that this light can do. So what you do, you just have to press on the modes button and you have different scenes. I believe it has about 13 scenes. This is the blue flash, which the color just flashes blue. Then you have the cop car, which is like a yellow blue light that it just flashes. Ambulance, fire engine, you have the emergency light, fireworks light, TV, I don't know what that is. So just the TV effect, a party effect. So you could use this for party events if you want to have something just to lighten the mood, I assume. Okay, so these were just a few of the effects that it has. So it has about 14 effects. Okay, so this is how vlogging would look like on a light like this. So I've turned the light on 60% because I don't want to blind myself. But I think this is pretty good for nighttime vlogging. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit that like button down below. This will help promote this video and get more views. And if you do want to purchase this light, you can find a link down in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.